Second attempt to try the live baiting. Alright, 6:15, 6:14. That's your setup. That's mine.
Mine too. Yours too.
Watch out, wait, stop first. Okay, let's go. It's super cold. Temperature is about 10 degrees, 10 to 12. Wind 8 kilometers per hour, blowing west. It's my second day coming here. Yesterday I came by myself, and after I show my boy the fish that I caught, and he got jealous. He wanna come. So here he goes. You ready, Marcus?
Yeah.
So what's the plan today?
We catch yakka.
Yep.
We use it as a live bait to get big fish.
That's right. Hopefully we can catch kingfish, eh?
Yeah.
Morning, mate. Cheers.
You got company today? No, you have a friend.
Yeah, I've
Outsider. Trevallies, there's a lot.
yeah.
Trevallies,
Yeah, yesterday we caught like more than 20 trevally. Yeah. But all tiny size, 20 centimeters. Yeah. Terrible.
Anyway, it's fun. It's fun.
Yeah, it's fun.
Small or big, man.
Alright, I'm gonna try. Good luck, brothers.
Oh, Indo.
Hey, how are you,
How you
man?
doing, brother?
Yeah.
Watch your videos all the
Oh,
time.
cheers, bro. Cheers, bro.
Brother.
Cheers. Here, Marcus. Put your stuff here. The water is gonna come up in about an hour and a half.
Little baby fish. Aww.
Is it like tiny, micro, tiny? Oh, I got a bite.
Ready?
Marcus, you need to recast, quick, recast. There, see? My first cast.
Can I cast now?
Yeah, cast, quick. Just like that. It's a big yakka. Let go the bell up.
Let go. This is something.
There you go. You need to cast a little bit further up, Marcus. That's a good size. Just make sure you zip.
Why put it underneath?
Because you don't need to use the aerator. You know that machine that blowing bubbles? Once you cast far away, small retrieve only, like this, Marcus. Like one, and then let go.
Honestly,
Oh, there you go. Oh, just small retrieve, Marcus. No, cast. There you go. See? Something chasing it. Oh, there you go. Oh, still alive. That was decent. That was decent.
Oh, Yaka.
Move back, move back, move back.
This one's
Yeah,
fine.
bell off. Bell off.
Bell.
Oh, turtle, Marcus. Turtle.
Where?
There. Turtle. Don't cast there. Oh, Marcus, Marcus, Marcus.
Okay.
Oh, still here. Salmon. Come on.
That's big.
Thanks, bro. Yesterday was bigger. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, big. No, salmon, salmon. Same size like I caught yesterday. Nice one, nice one. Hello. Look at this, Marcus.
Should we give him a fish or not?
Nah. It's going mentals. Hasn't swallowed yet. Oh, there you go. There you go. Hopefully not shark. Watch out, bro. Watch out your line. Watch out your line. Watch out your line, bro. Yeah, same size.
Same size.
Hook properly.
Oh yeah, nice on the lip.
Yeah, on the lip. So this is my setup. Basically, this is the main line. There's a sinker there. Barrel swivel, sinker. And then that's the leader. The leader is about 1.5 meters. Shimano All Sniper BB 10 foot, Stella 10K, P3, 50-pound leaders. And this is the hook that I bought from Temu. That's it. Pretty simple. We're going in 15, like I said.
15.
Yep. Maybe one more fish here.
Ain't that bird to chase?
Come on. Oh. Come on. Swallow it. Swallow it. There you go. Oh, this is bigger. Another salmon.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Follow his channel.
Yeah, I know.
Of course, we
That's
do,
what
man.
we were just saying.
You guys want live yaka?
Did you want yaka, bro? Oh,
Yeah.
thanks, Indo.
No worries, man. Good luck, yeah? 3. Come on, guys. Yeah, just open the thing, pour it inside. Or just throw it, Mark.
Yeah.
So, how did you think we go today?
Alright.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So, my boy been helping me with the yaka job. How many you caught today? This morning?
4.
But for some reason, the travel is not around. Anyway, that's fishing. And I caught plenty of good sized salmon on the live bait. Anyway, go out there, have fun, enjoy the good weather. See you on the next episode of
Indo-Sydney fishing.
Cheers. Bye.
Yeah.
Indo-Sydney fishing with Owen and Elle.
Check out these other videos.
Come on, don't be shy.